Precision, reliability, excellence. Introducing the Cataract Surgical Kit, 12 pieces by Stellmacher Instruments, your complete solution for safe and effective cataract surgery. Designed to assist in a variety of ophthalmic procedures, this kit features microsurgical forceps and scissors for precise tissue handling, ophthalmic speculums for optimal exposure, iris and lens manipulators for controlled movements, a precision needle holder for fine suturing, and additional specialized instruments for effective and efficient surgical performance. In eye surgeries, where every millimeter matters, the right instruments ensure success. The Stellmacher Ophthalmic Procedure Kit is designed for maximum control, minimal tissue trauma, and improved surgical outcomes, making it a must-have for ophthalmologists, surgical centers, and teaching institutions. Order yours today at stellmachermed.com and elevate your surgical performance. Follow us on social media for the latest updates, products, and tips from Stellmacher Instruments.